Sheets of snow are falling from the New York City sky. The streets are virtually empty, save for Sam, whose tall, lanky frame trudges through snow, hooded parka zipped to the last tooth, attempting futilely to zip it higher. Truffles, the family's labradoodle, pulls Sam around the corner toward the awning of ultra-glamorous 720 Park Avenue. Charlie, the doorman, holds the door open. The awning is torn open from the impact of a body, which flattens poor Truffles. The glass door and Charlie, the doorman, are splattered with scarlet blood and brain matter. A syrupy cherry snow cone forms round the fallen woman's head like a halo. Charlie clutches his heart, vomits, and collapses. Sam's eyes open impossibly wide as the shock is intensified by the recognition that the body is his wife, Teresa. He falls to his knees and cradles her broken body.
Teresa! Teresa! Jesus! Fuck! Jesus fucking Christ! Fuck!
He tries to cup Teresa's shattered skull. Alice's bedroom. Snow pours into 8-year-old Alice's bedroom. The 2 bay windows are open. Pink satin curtains, horizontal, angry ghosts animated by the wind. Alice, a Shirley Temple doppelganger, sits cross-legged in her fairy costume, sketching, oblivious to the tempest in her room, drawing on a very grown-up sketch pad. Marbles of varying sizes are splayed all over the floor, concentrated in front of the windows.
Alice! Alice! Where are you, Alice?
I'm in my room, Daddy.
Hyperventilating, sweating, and covered in blood, Sam bounds into the room, scoops Alice up and squeezes her in his arms, her head over his shoulder. Tears stream from his tightly shut eyes.
Alice, what are we gonna do? Oh my God, what are we gonna do? Alice.
I'm sorry, Daddy. I know I'm supposed to clean up my marbles when I'm finished playing with them.
Sam's eyes spring open, 2 bloodshot saucers of panic. The faintest hint of a smirk emanates from Alice's porcelain doll lips. An intricate drawing of a marble renders in startlingly realistic detail the figure Teresa spastically falling out of the window, martini glass in hand. The wind blows the preceding page over the drawing. Alice looks at us, the audience.
I was looking forward to that La Perla 90 as a hand-me-down. Gotta give her credit, though. She didn't spill a sip of her martini as she went out the window.
With a devilish smile.
Oh, come on. Don't get all judgy. If it makes you feel more comfortable, I can fake tears and hysteria.